Feeling a little run down? Wishing you had a secret weapon to keep those sniffles at bay? What if I told you that nature has already provided us with incredible allies, often found right in your pantry? Get ready to discover some simple, delicious ways to give your body the support it craves. We all want to feel our best, vibrant and strong, especially when the world around us seems determined to challenge our health. Boosting your immunity isn't just about avoiding illness. It's about building resilience, nurturing your body, and feeling empowered in your wellness journey. And guess what? One of the most comforting and effective ways to do this involves a simple ritual enjoyed by cultures for centuries: sipping on herbal tea. Herbal teas, or tisanes as they are technically known, are infusions made from the leaves, flowers, roots, and seeds of plants other than the traditional tea plant. These botanical powerhouses are packed with compounds that can offer amazing benefits, including giving your immune system a serious boost. They are a gentle yet potent way to incorporate wellness into your daily routine. Forget complicated regimens. Think warm mugs, soothing aromas, and natural goodness working from the inside out. Ready to explore some of the most powerful herbal teas that can help supercharge your immunity? Let's dive into 8 incredible options that are easy to find and wonderful to enjoy. First up, a true classic, ginger tea. This warming, spicy root is famous for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help soothe a sore throat and support overall immune function. Ginger is also fantastic for digestion, which is closely linked to immune health. A cup of fresh ginger tea can be incredibly comforting, especially when you feel a chill coming on. It's a potent ally for staying well. Next, we have turmeric tea. Known for its vibrant color and active compound, curcumin, turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It's like liquid gold for your body's defenses. Often combined with black pepper to enhance absorption, turmeric tea is a warming, earthy brew. It's a wonderful way to leverage ancient wisdom for modern wellness. Sip on this golden drink to help keep inflammation in check and support your immune cells. Third on our list is echinacea tea. This herb is practically synonymous with immune support, especially when you feel like you're on the verge of getting sick. Many people reach for echinacea to help shorten the duration of colds. Echinacea is believed to stimulate immune cell activity. Enjoying it as a tea is a popular and pleasant way to consume this beneficial herb. It's a proactive choice for seasonal wellness. Moving on to a soothing favorite, peppermint tea. While often used for digestive comfort, peppermint also contains compounds that can support respiratory health, which is key for immunity. Its menthol provides a refreshing, clearing sensation. Peppermint's antiviral and antibacterial properties also make it a great choice when you're feeling under the weather. It's a bright, invigorating tea that can help you breathe easier and feel better. Number 5 is the calming chamomile tea. You might know it for its relaxation benefits, but chamomile also possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Reducing stress is vital for a healthy immune system, and chamomile excels at that. Beyond stress relief, chamomile may also have antimicrobial effects. A warm cup before bed can not only help you sleep better, but also quietly support your body's defenses while you rest. Our 6th powerful tea is elderberry tea. Elderberries have gained significant popularity for their immune-boosting properties, particularly their potential to help fight off cold and flu symptoms. They are packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Elderberry tea offers a slightly tart, fruity flavor. It's a delicious way to consume this potent berry and give your immune system a concentrated dose of support, especially during peak season. 7th, let's talk about holy basil, or tulsi tea. Revered in Ayurvedic medicine, tulsi is considered an adaptogen, helping the body cope with stress. Chronic stress can weaken immunity, so managing it is crucial. Tulsi also boasts impressive antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Drinking tulsi tea is a holistic way to support both your stress response and your immune function. It has a unique, aromatic flavor. Finally, number 8, lemon balm tea. This lovely herb from the mint family is known for its calming effects, similar to chamomile, but it also has antiviral properties that can be beneficial for immune health. Lemon balm tea is light, lemony, and refreshing. It's a gentle yet effective tea for reducing anxiety and supporting your body's ability to ward off viral invaders. A perfect feel-good, do-good tea. Incorporating these teas into your daily routine is simple and rewarding. Whether you choose one favorite or rotate through several, you're actively nurturing your body's natural defenses with every sip. It's a small act of self-care with big potential benefits. Think of your tea time as a powerful ritual for wellness. It's a moment to pause, breathe, and nourish yourself from the inside out. These 8 teas offer a delicious and effective way to help keep your immune system strong and resilient. Which of these powerful herbal teas is your favorite? Or which one are you excited to try first for boosting your immunity? Let us know in the comments below.